Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about 13 valuable Washington quarters. Number 13, 1935 25-cent MS68 BCGS. Well, luster blazes in vibrant cartwheels around each side of this virtually flawless 1935 Washington quarter. A tinge of sunset gold color graces the right obverse and left reverse border, leaving the remainder of the coin frost white. Eye appeal is simply outstanding. It is a rare top-grade example, ideal for the registry collectors. Weight of this coin is 6.25 grams and the metal composition is 90% silver and 10% copper. This coin was sold for $4,800. At number 12 is 1952 S 25-cent MS68 PCGS. The San Francisco issue is plentiful in MS67, while coins as fine as MS68 are rare, with fewer than a dozen reported at PCGS. This piece is frosty and pristine. Original autumn umber, olive green and dusky lilac toning covers each side, producing ample eye appeal to accompany the sharp strike and cartwheel effect. Weight of this coin is 6.25 grams and the metal composition is 90% silver and 10% copper. Well, this coin is 1943 D 25-cent MS68 PCGS. This war-era quarter is generally plentiful, but it leaves all sense of availability behind above MS67. Coins in MS68 are notably rare, with only a dozen coins reported at PCGS and NGC combined, and none are finer. This piece is the fourth top-grade example. Frosty, glittering mint luster is ivory white across the central obverse and much of the reverse, while the obverse border show rich amber orange color. Well, this one is 2019 W 25-cent Lowell National Park MS68 PCGS. Certified examples of 2019 W Lowell National Park quarter are abundant through MS66, but they are scarce in MS67 and a major rarity in MS68 grade. This is one of just two MS68 coins at PCGS, with none finer. Brilliant satin luster adorns sharp motifs and pristine surfaces, and the eye appeal of this beautiful coin is remarkable. It is 2019 W Washington quarter. Well, this one is 1942 25-cent PR68 plus PCGS. Proof set production, the sole driver behind Proof Washington quarter production, was suspended in 1942 and did not resume until 1950. The 1942 Proof quarter is the last of its era, and it is an issue that is unknown in either cameo or deep cameo classification at PCGS. This plus designated non-cameo is a condition census example showing brilliant, pristine surfaces and sharp definition. Traces of champagne color dust each side. Weight is 6.25 gram. Well, this one is 1934 25-cent Media Moto FS402 MS68 PCGS. The Media Moto variety is the most plentiful of the major 1934 Washington quarter varieties, and thus is the ideal choice for date collectors seeking a top-grade registry coin. Lovely sunset gold toning seeds to deeper rose and greenish hues around the borders, while the center of each side lightens to near brilliant. A bold strike and pristine surfaces complete the eye appeal. Weight is 6.25 gram and metal is 90% silver and 10% copper. It is 1934 coin. Well, this one is 2020 tableau, 25 cent, Salt River Bay National Park, V75 MS68 PCGS. The V75 issue Salt River Bay National Park water struck at West Point is a challenging issue to find certified in the highest mint state grades. This example ranks as the sole finest example at PCGS, a distinction that makes it single most important registry set coin for the date. Each side shields brilliant satiny luster across pristine radiant surfaces, and a sharp strike adds to the eye appeal. It is 2020 W 25 cent coin. Well, this one is 1946S 25 cent MS68 PCGS. This post-war San Francisco issue experienced extensive circulation, although a handful of the remarkably high-grade pieces survived via bankrolls until numismatics interest in the Washington quarter reached widespread materialization. So this is a top-grade condition rarity. Vivid multicolor toning and frosty luster complement boldly struck design elements. Its weight is 6.25 gram and the composition is 90% silver and 10% copper. It was sold for $7,500. Well, this is 1941 25 cent MS68 PCGS. The 1941 Washington quarter is a tremendous condition rarity in MS68, with just 13 pieces certified at PCGS and NGC combined. Now for the registry collector, this coin is a rare and important opportunity to acquire. Frosty, luminous mint luster yields delicate rose gold color with blue, green, olive, and lavender daubs around the borders. Eye appeal equals the numeric grade. This coin was sold for $8,700 in an auction recently. Well, this one is 1938 25 cent MS68 PCGS. Only the Philadelphia and San Francisco mints struck Washington quarter in 1938. And of the two issues, the San Francisco coin is more often encountered in certified mint state grades, despite having a significant smaller mintage. Now, mint state Philadelphia coins represented by the current coin are still plentiful in most grades, but they become scarce at the super gem level. This coin is MS68, it is tied for finest known and it is a major rarity in this grade. Beautiful pastel iridescence adorns its surface. Well, this one is 1959 25 cent PR69 deep cameo PCGS. A minority of the proof 1959 Washington quarters certified qualify for deep cameo classification, and of these merely a handful are a fine as PR69 deep cameo. The current coin displays pristine ice white surfaces. Pronounced contrast characterize the liquid-like fields and sharp softy frosted relief elements. The coin is truly mirror-like. For the advanced registry collection, this coin represents the conclusion to a long and patient search for the finest known. Well, this is 1970D 25 cent MS68 plus PCGS. For decades, the Glad Washington quarter issue struck from 1965 onward served as a key component of the commercial transaction rather than the items of numismatic interest. Only the age of the registry set and the third-party class certification have these issues become numismatically significant, and now their incredible rarity in the topmost grade is well known. This plus designated MS68 example of 1970D quarter is the sole finest of its issue. satiny pristine luster yield, iridescent border toning around lavender blue interiors, and it is very valuable. Well, this coin is 1957, 25 cent MS68 PCGS. The finest N 1957 Washington Quarter certified are a pair of MS68 coins at PCGS and half dozen pieces at NGC in the same numeric grade. Of these, just two are CAC endorsed. The current coin is the first PCGS certified top grade piece. It is also the first CAC endorsed coin in the grade. Vivid multicolor toning adorns each side, while the central rivers show warm champagne color. A bold strike and satiny luster produce ample eye appeal. It was sold for $11,400 in recent auction. I hope you liked my video. Thank you and subscribe to the channel and keep visiting and watching my videos.